Now we want to add a login link inside our main project. So for that, what we will do is inside mango.web, we will create a new shared view. It will be empty view and I will call this underscore login partial. Here we will just have a UL, give it a class of nav. And within this UL, we will have the razor code. We will check if user.identity is authenticated. If the user is authenticated, then we want to display two links with the name as well as a logout button. In the else part, we just want to display a login link. So here we will have an li with a class of nav item. Inside that li, we will have an anchor tag with a class of nav link, and that will take you to ASP action, which will be the login action. Inside the controller, which is home controller, we will display login. I will copy this li tag and paste that 2 times right here. I will align everything here. First one here, we will just have an href as hash, and then we want to display hello and then name of the user. So user.identity.name. It will be identity and .name. Next one will be a logout link here, and that will take you to the logout action inside home controller. Now we do not have these two action methods. Let's do that, but before that, we will go to our underscore layout and we will call our login partial right here. Name is equal to underscore login partial. Once we have all of this, let's go to our home controller and create two action method. We will copy index and paste that 2 times. We will have login here and we will have logout. Now the code will be very simple for login and logout. In login, we can just write the authorize keyword. If a user is not logged in, it will automatically redirect them to the correct location. Once a user is logged in, we will return redirect to action and we will redirect them to the name of and index action. Inside logout, we just want to return, and there is a sign out method. We want to sign out all of the cookies, and the scheme is OIDC. With that in place, let's run the application. By default, user is not logged in, so we see the login button. When we click on that, you will see it automatically redirects to the login page of our identity server. It does that automatically because it knows that identity server is configured on this URL, and inside our authentication in the main project, we set that use bearer token and the origin or authority was this URL. Now here, even if we write the username and password that we created inside our database and try to log in, it won't work. The reason is by default the behavior is to use the test cases that are provided and not check against the database. So we will have to make some changes to our account controller inside the identity project. Let's do that in the next video.